Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update methods and much more. Kindly subscribe to my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. Without being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can download and use 9Proxy app. I have an exciting news for you guys. 9Proxy now has an app. You can now use 9Proxy without SuperProxy, without using external app like SuperProxy, Potazo, and the rest. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you know what to do. Create an account on 9Proxy website. If you are just using this 9Proxy, just go to 9proxy.com. Create your account, then you will go to your dashboard. If you want to load your IPS, maybe you buy IPS. If you want to load it, you are not doing long configuration again, because this now has an app which is very easy to use. No more configuring before you use the proxy. Just go to your app and connect. So once you buy IPS from me, you head over to your dashboard. You click on these three dots, then you choose share code. I'm talking about how you can load your CDK. So for this is where you'll be loading our IPS. I will load one IPS now to show you guys how you can load it. So once you get your IPS from me, we have different price list for IPS. You have 10 IPS, you have 20 IPS, depending on how many IPS. You want to buy 1000 IPS, we have it also. So let's load our IPS. Once you buy the IPS, this is how this key will be. It's just a random key. Once you can only redeem it once you press redeem, even though you want to redeem your GB plan, we have the IPS and the GB plan. So once you click on the redeem code, it will be added to your balance. So let's wait for it to add. Let's see. You can see now it has been loaded successfully. Congratulations. So you click on done. You see that we have 35 IPS now. Before we have 25 IPS. So as we added 10 IPS now, it has now be 35 IPS. You can see now. So now, like this, the new update now that I want to share to you guys is downloading the app. Before we'll be configuring the stuff, blah blah blah. Now you just head over and download the app. So to download the app is simple. Just click on use your profile icon, then you go back to the home page. Click on home page. Once you click on the home page, this is the interface. Then you click on the three dots by the left. Once you click it, you see this download button here. Once you click on download, you can download the app for Android, iOS, which is your iPhone. And if you are using laptop, you can also download the app. That one is available for, but the app now is not available for both Android and iPhone. So you can just click on Android. If you are using Android, click on it and download the app. Then click on download for Android or click on download for iOS. Once you click it, you download the app. So I already downloaded it before, so I don't need to download it again. So I'll just cancel. So now I'll go to the app. So to connect, just let me search for the app. So this is the app here, Proxy Hub Lite. So that is the app. So the app the interface is very sharp, it's very clean. So you have, once we load the IPS, everything here, it will reflect here. Just note, once you download the app, they'll tell you to log in. So you just log in your email and password, the same email and password you use when you're registering on that website. So you just use it, login. That is simple. So once you are on this place now, you just click on Proxy list. You see available Proxy. You can connect to can connect to different country IP. You can see different country. You can see this thing always refresh. Can refresh. You'll be seeing different one. Enter you scroll up. So just let's connect to anyone here. Let's connect to anyone. Let's connect to anyone. Let's connect to anyone. Let's connect to let's just use anyone. You understand? For the purpose of this video, I'll be going with this okay, let's go. I will be going with this United States, California, this thing. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it. It will show this green check mark. Then connect to this proxy. Once you click on connect to this proxy, you see it will be connected. Once it's connected, you stand. Don't note this only works on IP plan, IPS plan. If you have GB plan, you can't use it on the app. You stand. It's only IPS you can use on the app. That is the way it works now. I don't know, maybe in future they will integrate the GB plan to use it on their app. But for now, you can only use the IPS plan on the app. So once you are connected, you just go to this thing. Let's go to our word.net to check if we are connected to United States. So I'll go to word.net and search it. So let me refresh. Okay, let's refresh and check our IP stand. So like this. Okay, let me scroll back. Okay, there may be a case you are encountering this issue. I think this is Proxy. Okay, let me disconnect. I want to check something. Okay, so this is just like using pair subscribe Proxy. Once you connect, you have issue. You understand? To reconnect, if you reconnect from here, they may deduct one IPS. So what you have to do is go to 24 hours list. You see that the down. So once you click on 24 hours list, those IP you connected to will be shown in this section. Understand? So the one we connected to is this California, San Francisco. So let me try and connect back to it. Let me see whether it's the IP that is not good, understand, or it's general issue. So let me refresh, because we encountered bad gateway error the other time we connected. So let's see. You can see now. So once you encounter that gateway stuff that it shows up, so you just need to go back and reconnect it. Stand. So but note, once you connect, they will deduct one IPS. Stand. So you can see we have 35 Mbps. They are deduct one IPS. But if you want to connect to good IP, because we have different IP, you see this Comcast cable, that is one that is good, that is like their network is stable, so that you won't have network issue. So just make sure anytime you want to connect to the United States, look for this Comcast cable AS7922 stand. So that is it. So you can see the one I connected before. This is it. This is Washington. This is, and this IP can last for 24 hours, just like normal the way you use IP. It just once you connect, it will deduct one IPS and it can last for 24 hours. So that is the update I want to share with you guys. If you are just joining this my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and make sure you are joining my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. If you need any question, please kindly reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I will attend to you. See you next in my main video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.